Okay, real quick, going through the chargers. Whole bunch of 68, 69, and 70 chargers. Right in this area, which I know people tend to love because of various shenanigans. It says nice trunk. I mean, here we go. I mean, ooh, 69 Charger RT. Seth, you see this 69 RT?
Yeah. We've got a couple.
Yeah. Ooh, purple 70 Charger. Yep, real purple small block charger. I believe this is a 68 RT that my friend Seth over there decoded. It's missing a few parts, to say the least. Oh, this one is an RT. Oh yeah, you can see the RT outline. That is cool. It's even the right color for someone. Wow, it's a little rough though. But as we all know, chargers are going for a premium nowadays. Oh, this is the 68 RT. Missing the grill. But it's even got some, okay, maybe this isn't it. But there's a few cars to choose from. Ooh, there's a Shelby Charger over there. And right here is a 1970 Dodge Super Bee. One of my favorite Mopars. Along with a variety of Roadrunners and Satellites and Belvederes. Ooh, 68 Coronet 500. A few 66, 67 Chargers. Satellite. Oh, we got here Coronets. The remains of a 68 Charger. Oh, here's more Chargers. Or what's left of them. Oh, and more Chargers. Ooh, and more Chargers. 69. 69 over there. Ooh, 70 Limelight or Sublime Green if you're a Dodge fan. Roadrunner. A few more Chargers. What we got over here? Yeah. 69 or oh, that's a 69 Coronet 500. This is some sort of charger with air conditioning. Satellite, another two more Chargers over here. Ooh, another 68 Charger here. 69 Charger. Good taillights. 69 Coronet there. 69 Satellite looks like. Alright, oh, more Chargers. Alright. Wow, look at the moss on that one. This one's been here a while. Oh, more here. And 68 there. Some sort of white one here. That's a 70 Charger right there. And we'll get to those in a minute. But here is another two Chargers that are being cut up. Front end of a 68 Roadrunner or Satellite. Ooh, another Charger. Ooh, it remains of a, do you see the stripe? That's a 69 Super Bee. Charger. Roadrunner. 68 Charger. 69 Charger. The remains of a 69 Charger. Ooh, 68 RT. That's really sad. Whole bunch of 67 through 66 or 66, 67 B bodies over here, including convertibles. That Duster. Another half a Charger. Another 66 or 7. Here's some early ones again. All right, let's go walk up to the E-bodies, and then we'll finish off the video. A lot of early Poleras and Coronets and even some convertibles. 66s and 67 Chargers up here. Bunch of cool cars. I was here back about 13 years ago. I don't remember there being this many first-gen Chargers. I do remember the piles of bumpers, though. Oh man, oh man. Just a few pieces. Oh, and here's the E-body area with Challengers and Cudas. Let's just finish off the Roadrunners and Coronets, and here we go. A lot of 72 and 73 Challengers and Cudas here, I know that. Not a lot of 70s or 71s. Oh, that's sad. Oh, this is really sad. Someone wanted a certain piece of trunk, but it's like a 71 Challenger. Side markers are 7071. Then we got another 70 or 71 Challenger. Oh, like a 73, 74 Rally Challenger because of the side scoops and the big front bumper guards, which are 73, 74. Okay. That's a 70 or 71. Here's another 70 or 71 Challenger. No fender tag and no VIN, so I'm not sure, and I'm not going to dig around. This one, can't see through the delaminated windshield. But yeah, cool cars. What else we got? '71 Barracuda, I think it's a Barracuda, yeah, because it doesn't have the body line of a Challenger. It's got quad headlights, so this must be a 71 Barracuda. And this one has a little bit of rust. Small block car. Like I said, a whole bunch of 72 and 73 cars. The remains of something cool. And there's the 71 Challenger RT that's really depressing for me. But yeah, bunch of neat stuff here at Mopar City. And everything's for sale, even the whole yard. The entire yard is for sale for the right price. You just got to call them and talk to Larry. Good deal. Oh man, that's sad. 71 RT. Here's 68 Charger RT that my friend Seth pointed out, but this one, which we thought was just junk, so my friend Seth looked it over closer, and like, okay, white 70 Charger. It's got the white, it's got the rear stripe, but he looked at the VIN number. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened to the video. It just cut off, and it didn't give me any warning signs. But this ended up being a 1970 six-pack Charger automatic car. Okay, walking down the row. Got the B-bodies there. This looks like a real Citron yellow 71 Charger right there. Looks like a Roadrunner here. Post car, that's cool. Yellow. Here's 70 Satellite. 68 Coronet, 4-door. 69 something, 68 Roadrunner. Here's a interesting one. Not the station wagon. Here's a Plymouth Belvedere, 1970 Plymouth Belvedere, 318. But it's a blue car with a white painted top. Now my friend Diego will love this for his page, two-tone muscle cars. That's a neat car. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Oh, so we got. And then we have more Chargers over here. Oh, there's a Sassy Grass Green 71 Charger. There's a gold 69 Charger. 68 Charger. What else we got? Oh, here's more Chargers. Can't tell. I think that's a 68, 69, 69, 69. Oh, battery exhausted. I didn't actually realize how much aerial footage I had taken. Going through it all, I actually had more aerial footage overall than walking around the yard with my friend Seth and the guys from the Mopar City. And I had a lot of fun. This was the first time using the drone since I'd had the accident where it fell in the river. So it was really nice that the drone performed so well in such a unique situation. They were amazed. They hadn't had anyone out there at the yard using a drone. So when I sent them some of the rough video of what I'd shot, they were really impressed and they were really excited to see what I was able to do with, I mean, the drone I got was a DJI Mini SE. It was not an expensive drone by any means, but it's also a good quality one. So this really gave me the opportunity to show you what really the full yard is all about. And I really worked out well. It performed and covered everything I needed. Some of the stuff got a little weird. That's why I've made some cuts in it. But other than that, it worked out beautifully. And the guys were very pleased. Like, just going through, it took me about an hour to cover, I believe, just about everything. I know I'm missing a few spots here and there, but the majority of the yard you'll see in video that's either from the air or from the ground. Actually, I will say that my GoPro gave me more issues than the drone. The drone worked, it lined itself out, but my GoPro, a whole bunch of videos I discovered were corrupted, and some were just missing completely, and I know that I had recorded them. So I was very pleasantly surprised that the drone worked as well as it did. I still have to fix a few issues with it. It's not 100% back to perfect working order, but as you can see, I mean, it worked beautifully in this situation. It was a spring day at Mopar City, so there wasn't a lot of wind, the sun wasn't really bright, so the video turned out beautifully in my opinion. And if you guys have any comments or questions on that, let me know. Or if you guys have any feedback on what I can do better, of course, let me know, because I don't get better without feedback. I did this turnaround just to really give you an idea of everything that's there. Like, these buildings are full of parts, and I'll actually have the third video showing that, literally just walking up and down rows of Challenger parts and Cuda parts and Chargers. I mean, the place is completely stuffed full of cars and parts from one end to the other. And there's a whole nother property next door that's just empty that they use for farming that's also for sale. Larry does want to sell this entire property, all the cars, all the parts, everything, in theory, in one foul swoop. Otherwise, he is selling individual cars and parts. All the information for that will be, of course, in the description below. And hopefully the next few videos will have no problems. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from the Mopar City in Oregon, Illinois. Again, it was really kind of them to allow me the opportunity to walk around and document all the cool cars that they have. And don't forget, they are for sale. You can contact them. All their information is in the description below. There will be probably one more video from inside the buildings. There's not a lot of car stuff, but it's just interesting to see the piles of like Challenger taillights or Super Bee, scoops and all kinds of cool stuff. So keep watching, and a lot more cool stuff coming up every Monday, of course, when I drop a new video. Otherwise, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.